This video is for anyone who needs a little bit of assistance calculating their GPA or their grade point average. So essentially what we're going to do is going to take each one of the percentages you earned for this quarter. We're going to turn them into a number out of 1 through 4, add them up, and divide by 8 to get their average, and that will give you your GPA. Your GPA is on a scale of 0 to 4, 4 being the highest, 0 being the lowest. So here's a list of this student's sample grades. So I'm going to go through each one and assign it a number. So 62, I'm going to go straight over here and look at 62 is in the D range, and that is going to equal a 1. Okay, 82 is going to be in the B range, and that is going to earn a 3. 72 is in the C range, that's going to earn it a 2. And then we have lots of D's here, lots of 1s, 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 and then another C earning another 2. Okay, so now we're going to add all these numbers up. So I have 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, plus 2 is 12. Okay, and now we are going to divide that by 8. So you're going to divide that by 8 because there are 8 classes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is how we figure out averages. You add them together and divide by the total. Now that just gave me a total of 1.5. So their GPA is 1.5. Now that is not a very good GPA. Our goal to get into colleges, and I'm talking even basic, kind of community colleges, is to get at least 2. And to get scholarships, you want at least a 3. So you want to be in that A-B range to get the scholarships. You need to be in the C-B range to at least get into college. D's will pass you, but they will not help you in the long term. So you want to make sure you assign each grade a number, add it up, divide it by 8, and that will give you your GPA.